at Douglas Electrical Components, where we're not just creating solutions, we're engineering the future. As a leading U.S. manufacturer, we specialize in hermetically sealed electrical assemblies for military and aerospace applications. Our plate assemblies, crafted from materials like brass, stainless steel, and titanium, epitomize versatility and precision. We integrate our hermetic feed-throughs into your existing assembly or new design, tailoring it to your exact needs. Our technology ensures high-quality signal transmission and robust connections, even in demanding environments. Douglas Electrical Components stands for innovation and reliability. Certified with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. Hermetically seal your plate assembly with the exact connections you require to moisture-tight standards, including MIL Standard 883 and MIL Standard 750. Let's engineer the future together. Douglas Electrical Components. Hermetically seal virtually any conductor or optical fiber. Visit www.douglaselectrical.com.